We can provide something that no one else do in Norway today.
We're in the land of the Vikings, working to develop Easy Street in Norway, and we are Vikings.
In Norway, they closed down the plants the 15th of December, and they don't open it before the 1st of April. Now they have the possibility to produce up the Easy Street. I think the Easy Street would be the solution for that problems in production in Norway, so they can do it in the winter time.
The mixes that we're designing are going to be used mainly when you have cold, rainy, and snowy conditions. We're using some state-of-the-art biofuels, which have some really nice low-temperature properties, some of the best we've seen in the whole world, which is going to add that lubricity to our product in colder temperatures. It's going to be more workable. The Easy Street BioBlends represents a really green concept for the country of Norway. There's nothing else there like it. The idea that crews would be out patching potholes over and over again is really counterintuitive to the vision of the country. Norway's goal by 2023 is to essentially have 99%, 100% full utilization of electric vehicles. Easy Street's going to help the entire country fulfill that vision. In an EV car, the end goal is to have full autonomy. But you want a surface that an autonomous vehicle can drive on with minimal defects. So bringing a product like Easy Street to this country, the timing couldn't be better, because now they're going to be able to go out, patch a pothole only once, permanently with Easy Street, and not have to revisit that same pothole. So that's pretty cool.
We have already tested for a while with customers that do it at the highways, and we've done it on our own place too.
They're launching Easy Street throughout the whole country, starting here in Tonsberg.
So now we see that the possibility, I think it would be a big chance to make good business for everyone.
Thomas and Anders have developed an intricate sales and distribution plan to reach every corner of Norway. Lars and I feel this camaraderie, we feel this connection with all things Scandinavia. There's just something hardwired into our DNA that when we arrive here, a switch is turned on.
I like the guys very much. We feel very confident and to work with them. It's like a family.
So Thomas and Anders, they represent a powerhouse in Norway. Anders is this tremendous sales guy, very detailed, has an authentic work ethic. Thomas, he's driven. Their focus and attention is second to none.
The Easy Street is going to be something that Norway never seen before.
Already they have an abundance of customers that are coming in, wanting to try the product. Working to develop Easy Street in Norway and throughout all of Scandinavia is awesome.
I think it's big.